Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to buy on Trust Wallet with a debit card. Open Trust Wallet, tap Buy, select the crypto and provider, then enter debit card details carefully. Verify identity with your ID and selfie when prompted, review the fee and exchange rate, confirm the amount, and complete the transaction. After purchase, the tokens arrive in your wallet. Consider moving funds to a secure wallet if you plan long-term storage. Before you start, check your debit card supports online and crypto purchases and that your bank won't block the charge. Log into Trust Wallet and update the app to the latest version for the smoothest experience. Have a government ID and a clear selfie ready for instant KYC verification, and ensure your card has sufficient funds including possible fees. If your bank blocks crypto, contact them or try a different card or provider inside the app. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's great for setting price alerts, checking market news, and getting hands-free updates while you manage buys on Trust Wallet. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can make more simple crypto guides. Check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals, and consider it as a handy companion for your crypto routine. Now let's get back to the video. Start by opening Trust Wallet, tapping Buy, and choosing the cryptocurrency you want to purchase. Pick a payment provider from the options, enter the exact amount in fiat or crypto, and carefully review the quoted exchange rate and processing fee. Enter your debit card details, then complete any 3D Secure or OTP verification your bank requires. After confirmation, wait for the transaction to settle and check your wallet balance to ensure the tokens arrived correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.